Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Gmail, sign in if needed, and click your profile picture. Once done, choose Manage your Google account so you control settings centrally. Now go to the Security tab. This is where Google lists third-party access and connected apps. You're taking the first actionable step. Locate the section labeled Third-party apps with account access. Make sure to stay signed in and use a desktop browser for the full interface. Mobile can hide options. Once you're in the third-party apps area, you'll see a list of services that can access parts of your account. Click an app name to reveal what it can do, read email, manage contacts, or view basic profile info. Pay attention to apps marked with full account access or sensitive scopes. Those need immediate review. If an app is unfamiliar, make a note to revoke it. Also check app passwords and sites with access to sign in for linked services. To finish, decide whether to remove or retain each app. You can click Remove Access to stop an app immediately, or choose Manage to update permissions when available. After removing, sign out and sign back in to ensure changes propagate. If an app breaks unexpectedly, reauthorize only trusted apps and enable two-step verification for extra security. If something goes wrong, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, and confirm you're signed into the correct Google account before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.